everybody, this is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. I hope everybody's doing good today. In today's video, we are going to continue our album, Marry Me. And we are using the collection from Echo Park. It's Marry Me by Lori Whitlock. And I'm using several of these. Big album. In today's video, we are going to be doing a waterfall element on the third signature. So this is where we're at. Now, I'm not done a lot of decorating yet. Remember, I'm going to go back and do all that. I just want to get the page set up. So this was the last video we did. We did the inside of the second and fifth fin, or fifth signature. And we did the back. And then all this repeats. The belly band. Alright, so today we're working on this very middle. So this is your third signature. This is the last signature that we're working on. And we're going to get the front of this set up. I think I'm going to, yes, we're going to do the front. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is close the book. We're going to do the page setup outside the book and then put it in the book. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of pattern paper. And this is cut at 7 3/4 by 10 inches. Okay, then you're going to need 6 solid pieces of cardstock. This is really easy. They're going to be cut at 6 1/4 by 5 1/4. 6 1/4 by 5 1/4, and you're going to put it in your scoreboard on the 5 1/4 inch side, and we're going to score an inch. I'm going to show you why I did that. Where's the book? I am working on this book too. It's a little bit different. I did the binding different, but the page setups, I'm kind of doing the same thing. And I came in here and I did the waterfall, and I used a heavier cardstock in this, and it's thick. It's really, really thick, and it's tight. So I wanted to loosen the binding up right here. See, this is a 1/2 inch, and I feel like it might lay a little flatter if we go a little bit wider, and it'll take it more down the page. So this is kind of what we're doing right here. If you see that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Alright, so first thing we're going to do. Oh, and you also need, I'm using, this is 2 inches by 10 1/2, and it's scored at a inch. It's scored at an inch. So what I'm going to do, first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the first waterfall. Alright? Now, let me see how to do this really quick. I am using double stick tape. What I want, now remember, this is the 5 1/4 side. So it's 6 1/4 wide, 5 1/4 tall, score an inch. Score an inch, and we're going to make this waterfall. But what I want to do is I want to attach this to the first side of the waterfall. So I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to attach that there. I want this on the, and then I'm going to come over with some double stick tape and put some double stick tape on that. There we go. I want to attach this for the closure. Now, we're just putting the closure on today. I plan on highly decorating this closure with a lot of embellishments. I'm going to put some butterflies on there, and I'm going to put some greenery on here. Look how pretty. But I want to do the butterflies in a different color. But I want to pull that in. So, alright, so we have that on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, and I am going to center this, eyeball center this. There we go. Yeah, I think that's good. Let me see. Did I get it even? I don't think I got that even. Now we're going to go with it. Shoot. I'm so sorry. I'm sneezing. do a better job than I did, because I definitely got this off. I'm going to have to redo this. This is why I don't like using double stick tape. But if you do that and you have this undo, it's really not that big of a deal because I can just take this off. This stuff is so cool. And when you take it off, it's like it wasn't even there. Isn't that cool? It dries. I guess it evaporates. Uh-oh. I feel like I have made so many mistakes on this, but I also feel like it's important to see this. It's part of the process, guys. It's just straight up part of the process. We don't get things perfect, and this is handmade and it's not going to be perfect, but if we can fix it, make it a little bit better, then do that. If not, just leave it on there. It's not a big deal. But I want it a little bit straighter than that. All right, so let me get up here. I'm gonna have to stand up, y'all. Okay. All right, that looks much better. All right, we're gonna go with that. Now, we're going to flip this out of the way, and we're going to flip this up. We've made so many waterfalls on this channel, and this is the easy part right here. Now, all we have to do is just line it up. We just keep lining it up end to end. All right, so I just take this, and we're just going to line this up here, and we'll line, guys, oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. You know what we're going to do? We're going to add some glue. We're going to add glue. All right. Let's put this in here. Let's try this again. Holy moly. All right. So I'm just going to line this up, butting that up against that, butting that up against that. There. Okay. And we're just going all the way down with this. You can also use glue stick here. Like if you're using double stick tape and you want some wiggle room, then you can just put glue stick on this as well. And it does give you a little bit of wiggle room. I wanted to use the double stick tape because this is a mechanism and it is going to be, you know, flipped up and down quite a bit. So I want to make sure that it's going to stay. So, and I know what the problem is. It's where I've got that inch score. Okay. All right. How's everybody doing today? All right, let's see. I'm going to go in on this one. I think what I'm going to do is do this. That way it's not touching. Okay. All right. Where we're at. Do you see what we're doing? Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love a waterfall. I think a waterfall is actually a really easy element to put in a mini album, and people love it. The flip of it, it's just so fun. All right. And we're going to line this up. Now I cut out 6, and let's see if we're going to use 6. I'm not completely convinced we're going to use 6 yet. Actually, I think I'm going to use 5. I don't know that I want to put that 6th one in there. Let's see. the 6th one. Okay, let's bring this down and bring this down. Do you like it? Or I'm going to use 5, and what I recommend, you can take it all the way down the page. I'll use this in a separate part of the page. It's not that big of a deal, but what I wish I had done is maybe bring this down a little bit and center it a little bit more, but that's fine. It does not make a difference. Melody is not going to care. Okay, now, my plan for this is, and we're not going to do it today as far as the decorating, but what I'd like to do, just imagine these stamped out in different colors, like in the pink. And I would really love to do like some butterflies on this, and then some greenery coming out, maybe some florals, and just make this really interactive right here, are really beautiful, and then have it flip up. So we are definitely going to do that. I just don't have it ready today. I'm having to work a different day this week, and it's threw me off. So let's go ahead and put our magnets in, because this one we are going to use magnets. So, I'll be honest with you, I'm not real good at magnet placement on waterfalls. I struggle with this part of it. So I'm just going to bring you along for, okay, so I want the magnet right here. Okay, I'm going to bring it at the end, I think. That'll be our first one. Our first one's going to be right here at the end. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my glue dots out. Guys, I found my glue dots. I looked high and low for them, and I found them. And my desk is such a mess that I don't know what I did with them. Ah, here they are. Here they are. All right, I'm just going to put a glue dot on this. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to put a glue dot. Let me think a minute. Okay, so. Is there a magnet there? Let's take this glue dot and we're going to put it right in the middle, right there. Okay, so we got it on the back of the paper. Now I'm going to take this and we're going to put that glue dot right there. We're going to put that one right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue there. That's all I'm going to do. I'm gonna let that settle down and put just a little piece of double stick tape, and we're going to cover that. We'll have all this covered. This is not going to show, but I want to double stick tape that right there. Now, let's see. Do we need any more? Nope. I think that's going to work just fine. Okay, let's put this in the book. See, this is a quick and easy one. Okay. We're going to put this in the book right here, right? We have these. Let's see something. Wait a minute. Let's see some. I'm playing, guys. I'm straight up playing. Out, open, open, and then the waterfall. I don't know if I like that or not. I don't. But we will use these. We will definitely use these. Okay, so to put this down, I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. This one's a shorter video. I don't want to, it's really late and I have to work in the morning. So I'm going to call this, this has definitely turned into a lot of parts, but that's okay. It gives you something to work on and something to watch. And what's so cool about this is ideas that you can use in any books. You know, you can use this in any of your, uh-oh, I hit the, oh, isn't that going to be pretty? Now, I just want you to picture this. Just picture these going up, or with flowers that actually match. See what we're going to do? This is just stuff laying on the desk, but I'm just going to, we're going to do this all the way up. All the way up. We're really going to fancy this up. I can't wait. I just got to get everything stamped out. But I wanted to go ahead and come back on. I don't want to lose momentum. So this is where we're at. So the back page setup, we will definitely be using these on the back page setup. And what I might do is, I might do an up and a down. Like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's probably what we're going to do. So save these. Save these. Okay, guys. That is the video for today. I will put the measurements in the description below as well as the playlist. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you have a great day and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.